Okay, we're now going to look at medians. A median is a straight line with certain characteristics. So we're going to draw a triangle here, ABC. So a median is a straight line that comes from the vertex of a triangle and cuts an opposite line in the middle. And every triangle has 3 medians. So again, it comes from a corner, comes from a vertex and cuts an opposite line in the middle. So remember that a median, just like an altitude and a perpendicular bisector, is a straight line. So to find the equation of any straight line, we need point and gradient. So let's try an example. Okay, triangle ABC has vertices A, 3 minus 7, B, 8, 1, and C, 4 minus 3. Find the equation of the median from A. So let's first of all sketch out what this might look like. Okay, so there's a representation of the triangle. B81, A3 minus 7, and finally C4 minus 3. We're looking for the equation of the median from A. So remember that it comes from A and cuts the opposite line in the middle. Okay, so to find the equation of any straight line, we need point gradient. So we've got a point here, A. Now to find the gradient, we would need 2 points that lie in the line. We don't currently have that, but we can certainly get it because we can find the midpoint of BC. So remember that that is an average of the x and the y coordinates. So that's 4 plus 8 over 2, minus 3 plus 1 over 2. 4 plus 8 is 12 over 2 is 6, minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 over 2 is minus 1. So now we've got 2 points that lie on the line, this point here A and this point. And we can now find the gradient of that line. So it's y2 minus y1, minus 1 minus minus 7, over 3 minus 6. Minus 1 minus minus 7 is minus 1 plus 7, that's 6. 3 minus 6 is minus 3, 6 over minus 3 is minus 2. So that's actually a slight mistake there. On bottom it should be 6 minus 3, which will be 3, and 6 over 3 is 2. So the gradient is 2. We now pick any point that lies on the line. So let's choose the point 3 minus 7 and put this information into y minus b equals m bracket x minus a. So that will be y minus b equals m bracket x minus a. Y minus minus 7 is equal to 2 bracket x minus 3. That's y plus 7 is equal to 2x minus 6. Bring that across and that will be y equals 2x minus 6 minus 7 is minus 13, y equals 2x minus 13. Okay, let's try one more. So triangle MFP has vertices M 4 minus 6, F 2 8, and P given by minus 8 4. We're going to find the equation of the median which passes through the midpoint of FP. Okay, and there's a representation of what that triangle might look like. So again, it's the median which passes through the midpoint of FP. Okay, so there that is, which means the median must come from the point M. So let's first of all find this midpoint. So an average of the x and the y coordinates, minus 8 plus 2 over 2. And 4 plus 8 over 2. Minus 8 plus 2 is minus 6, over 2 is minus 3. 4 plus 8 is 12, over 2 is 6, so that's the point minus 3, 6. Let's now find the gradient of this line. So y2 minus y1 over x to minus 6, 1, 6 minus minus 6 over minus 3 minus 4. And that's 12 over minus 7. Let's now find the equation of the line. So point gradient, I'm going to use this point here, 4 minus 6, and there's the gradient, 12 over minus 7. And y minus b equals in bracket x minus a. So that's y minus minus 6 equals 12 over minus 7, bracket x minus 4. That's y plus 6 equals 12 over minus 7, bracket x minus 4. Let's get rid of the divide by 7 by multiplying both sides by 7. So that will be 7y plus 42 is equal to 12 bracket x minus 4. 7y plus 42 is equal to 12x minus 48. And finally 7y is equal to 12x minus 48 plus 42 is minus 6.